And we return to an earlier story. We told you earlier that a policeman is in hospital with serious gunshot wounds and his alleged shooter in custody. And this followed high drama along Old Harbour Road in St. Catherine. And the cell phone video showed police and a gunman trading bullets, and residents say it lasted for up to 2 hours. Here's TVJ's Kirk Wright.
For more than 2 hours, there was a standoff between the security forces and a man the police say was shooting at them. The shooter had a distinct aim. He fired at the security forces from the roof of the Clark's Hardware, a building which we understand is family-owned. For the security forces, they took up strategic positions on the ground and on neighboring buildings. During the gunfire, onlookers encouraged the gunman.
Is he known to the area? Is he a violent person?
No, man. No, some family treatment, the man in family them over the building, them have a look at thing over the building. So it come like my brother them can't agree. A building cause a problem because man them in a war and cussing from them time that them say. But Johnny say him nah come out of the building. Nah give up because they want him come out.
The police had a challenge keeping onlookers from the scene.
Please, boss, step back, please. Understand, please, sir, please. Step back, please. Please, boss, please. Step back. Please. You're still not here, sir. All the way back over there, sir, please.
Johnny was finally captured and placed in handcuffs. It appears he was wounded, but not life-threatening. And even as the security forces were taking the shooter away.
Johnny never have no gun. Johnny never have no gun.
And condemnation for the police.